Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Faith if you guys are new here, and we are here at Sema Auto Lab in Park City, Utah. And we have Clayton here today and our brand new Christmas tree that we are going to be putting up today, and I'm really excited. So today we have something special. We are going to give you a tour of the complete shop. So if you guys don't know us, we have a vinyl wrap shop here in the background. But we actually live upstairs, and that is what we're gonna give you a tour of today. We have an office and a full one-bedroom apartment upstairs that we decided we'd like to show you guys. So let's upstairs, shall we?
Faith, what I need you to do is just hold the camera.
Okay. Strong boy. There's gonna be needles everywhere. So these stairs lead to our office, which I am going to show you. First, yeah. Set that bad boy down right there and we'll give him a tour of the office.
All right.
Stay. Good. Okay.
Welcome to our office. It's very tiny. It's actually kind of like a big closet. But this is where we do all our emails, phone calls, scheduling, orders. We do decal cutting in here and makeshift storage. These are the wheels for the Cayman build.
We're running out of space here, if you guys can tell.
We got our like really old but still works just fine vinyl plotter over
We have
there.
our custom-made Clayton desk. Clayton made this himself.
Yep.
A little unfinished, but that's okay. We have Sal Corner.
And this is where we're going to do all of our merchandise fulfillment. If you guys don't know, we have merchandise. The link is in the description below. It's summitlife.store. And you can go on there and buy a t-shirt or some stickers or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna do our fulfillment in here. So we got like our poly bags and envelopes and boxes. So
Yeah, let's do a 360. Ready? Okay. Oh, snap. We also have a balcony right here, which we use also as storage, but it helps us, you know, take a quick peek, look at the shop, make sure everything's going okay down there. But yeah, this is the office. This is where
onwards to the apartment.
Magic happens.
Let's go. Ugh.
We go up and down these stairs at least 18 times a day. Put that bad boy in there. Nice.
There we go. Welcome to Summit Auto Lab apartment. As you can see, it's mighty big. It's a one-bedroom apartment. It's roughly 750 square feet.
So let's start with this corner. So we have our own little electric fireplace for those cold winter nights. Oh yeah, setting the mood, huh, Sal? So this corner is where we watch TV. This corner is where we cook. Actually, to be honest, like 70% of this whole apartment is a kitchen.
Yeah, it's the biggest aspect of the apartment, the kitchen.
It's nice and open. We love it. I'm not going to show you too much of that closet because that is our laundry closet and it's embarrassing.
Yes.
We have a beautiful bathroom right here. Caricature drawings of Clayton and I. Good stuff over the toilet. Show you the bedroom. So this is our lovely room that we use to sleep in.
And this is where I jump on the bed.
What are you doing? Anyways, we have a beautiful view of Park City, Utah right there. A good freeway view. So this is where we spend 12% of our time up here in the apartment.
12%?
12%, because the other 88% is in the shop working. That was a short and sweet tour of our shop.
It's not very big.
It took like 2 seconds. It's not very big, but it works for us and it's what fits right now for our lifestyle. So, all right, let her hair down.
All right.
Ooh, she's getting plump. She's getting plump. Ooh.
Look at the mess it's making.
It's raining. It's raining Christmas. Aww. She thick. It's a good looking tree. What do you think, Sal? You gotta go investigate? Come here. Let's investigate. What is this? What is this? What is that? Anyways, enough of the shop and apartment tour. We have a very special guest showing up here who actually just arrived. Welcome, welcome.
Man, you guys are up bright and early.
What are you talking about?
Jeez.
We started the day like 3 hours ago.
Well, you guys don't stop. I gotta get my sleep.
That's all right. That's all right. Okay, the Burlacher is here. What are you doing here again?
We're doing like a flannel, a plaid type look, right?
Ah, yes.
I think, aren't we doing that?
With a beard roof.
With a beard,
A beard
roof.
group, okay. A beard front splitter.
So it's a secret what is going on with the car, but we are taking care of the Burlacher's Mustang this week. We aren't gonna show the color it's going, that's top secret, but we'll show the process of getting it prepped and ready
We
to
gotta
go.
clean it, prep it, disassemble it. That's
Remove the stripes because
Oh, yeah.
those gotta come off. I think that's it. She's in our hands now.
Well, almost.
Oh, hey.
There you go.
Can't go anywhere with that. Thank
you
you
go.
very much, sir.
Yep.
All right, the Burlacher's Mustang is ready to be disassembled. You guys know the drill. That is what comes next. We lift it up, we take the wheels off, and we disassemble what is necessary. But that is not going to be included in today's vlog. However, we will probably film that for the next video where we also reveal the color once we get the okay from Nick. But I think that is going to end today's vlog. Stay tuned also for some more human updates. I think Clayton has some electrical work to do next. Air management is what you call it?
Air management is what it's called, yes.
So I guess stay tuned for some more of that, and we will see you in the next video.
Peace.